Not long after the left side of the garage was full of custom built and installed storage cabinets, I started working on the right side. Now this side of the garage was nice and clean looking. All it had was shiplap. And then I convinced my wife, let me build one storage cabinet with a shiplap face on it for a nice clean look. She agreed to that, and then I added a second cabinet to it. Well, things just started expanding from there. Once that was in place, she didn't have any problem with me building this cabinet. Shortly after that, I acquired a major piece of equipment that is stored behind this. Eventually, I started collecting vintage and antique wood planes of all sorts, and I needed a place to store those. And then finally, my last completed project is yet another storage cabinet. This is on rollers, just like that guy over there, that you could pull out from the wall. And I did that for a couple of reasons, but one of them being that I have some hinges mounted on the wall back there that I can attach to a folding workbench for a really solid work surface. I've got one more project here. One more storage cabinet going in this space here. Okay?